A glimmer caught their eyes, a key unlike any other. It radiated mystery, pulsing softly, whispering of worlds untold. Excitement bubbled in the air. Unfurling the map revealed a thrilling adventure, but horror struck. A crucial piece was missing. Time's secrets felt just out of reach. The world around them spun wildly. Colors blended, shapes twisted. A strange force beckoned them closer, too close. They landed in chaos. Up was down. Everything giggled in reverse. Adventure loomed, tangled in laughter and confusions. From atop the Tower of Time, a wicked figure watched. His laugh echoed through the swirling winds, a master of mischief. Youthful echoes danced before them, face to face with who they used to be. Familiar yet strange, memories tangled in time. Deep within the cave, an artifact glimmered, a beacon of hope, nestled among contradictions. Time's lifeline, but trapped in riddles. A puzzle of chaos loomed, both intricate and menacing. Logic twisted into every form. It was a battle of wits and wisdom. Time flared and fractured. The nefarious whiskers tangled visions together. Panic surged as the world unraveled. Light burst forth, an alliance forged in courage. Together they wielded the ancient power. Time awakened. The wielder of time was ensnared. Laughter echoed as his own tricks turned against him, unraveling his own game. They stood before the finished map, now whole. Time shimmered with promise, moments shared, gifts precious and eternal.